How do you know that you are going to save these people money?
Most sort of commercial businesses will have two tariffs. So they'll have a daytime tariff and a nighttime tariff. And so the first way that we use energy storage to save money is by charging the battery storage overnight on the nighttime tariff, which is much, much cheaper than the daytime tariff. And it does depend on energy provider to how much differential there is. Sometimes it can be like 5-7 pence. Sometimes it can be up to 15-20 pence. So that completely depends on the energy provider. But if you've got that system in place, you're then looking for the biggest differential and the cheapest nighttime tariff. So that's the first aspect. The second is you'd usually pair energy storage where possible with solar generation. Okay. So the benefit of doing that is you can put as much solar generation as you can on your building. When businesses install solar but they don't have a battery, they're limited to what they can install without having to export a load of excess. And generally, if you export the excess, you get hardly any money back for it. And yet you'll be buying electricity back at a much higher price when you need it later on during the day.
Oh, okay.
But what you can do when you use battery storage is you can put a lot more solar generation. You can store that excess in the battery, and that will contribute when there's less sunshine, so you're not generating as much, and to your nighttime consumption as well. So that will then be used, and you're just in general buying a lot less electricity.